going? Got gorillas in my pocket, but no one knows what that means. No one knows it means, but it's wonderful. No, it isn't. Gets people going.
You sing the Frosty song?
Why?
Sing it.
Why?
How do you sing it?
No, sing what?
Huh?
Frosty song? Frosty the snowman, he has really red shiny nose, just like Rudolph, but he took it off of him, and he has red horns, like that dog on there, and he lost his horns, so he put two big candles on, ha 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 ha.
There you go.
Don't make me